Ever wonder what makes those glowing signs so mesmerizing? That vibrant, otherworldly glow? It's all thanks to neon. But have you ever stopped to think, what exactly does neon cause? You might be surprised. It's not about causing harm, like some might fear. Neon, in itself, isn't dangerous. In fact, it's a noble gas, meaning it's incredibly stable and unreactive. So, what's the deal with that dazzling light? Let's break it down. Neon signs work on a principle called electrical discharge. Imagine this: inside that glowing tube is neon gas. When electricity is passed through it, it excites the neon atoms. Think of it like this: those atoms get a sudden burst of energy, kind of like jumping for joy. But here's the key: those excited atoms don't stay that way for long. They quickly return to their normal, calm state. And when they do, they release that extra energy in the form of light. Now, this isn't just any light. It's a specific color, a vibrant orange-red glow. That's the signature color of neon, and it's caused by the unique way neon atoms release their energy. Different gases emit different colors when they're energized. That's why we have those beautiful, multicolored neon signs. Argon glows blue, helium glows yellow, and so on. Each gas has its own unique fingerprint of light. So, to answer the question, what does neon cause? It causes light. Specifically, it causes that iconic, vibrant glow that adds a touch of magic to our world. Now, you might be wondering about the safety of neon signs. As I mentioned, neon gas itself is harmless. However, it's important to remember that high-voltage electricity is used to power these signs. So, it's crucial to handle them with care and ensure proper installation and maintenance. But when used correctly, neon signs are a marvel of science and a beautiful addition to our visual landscape. They add a touch of retro charm to our cities, and they continue to inspire artists and designers around the world. So, the next time you see a neon sign, remember the science behind that dazzling glow. It's a testament to the fascinating world of atomic physics and the power of light. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.